Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Kahf, chapter number 18, verse number 54, that this is a book which mention in detail many similitudes in which is benefit for humankind. But men is in most things contentious. Allah repeats a similar message in Surah Az-Zumar, chapter number 39, verse number 27, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has mentioned in detail many similitudes so that men may receive admonition. If you read the Quran, it will surely benefit you in this world as well as the hereafter. You read the Quran, if you don't know Arabic, read the Quran in the language you understand. If you understand English, read it in English, the language you understand the best. If you understand Urdu, read it in Urdu. If you understand Hindi, read it in Hindi. If you understand French, read it in French. If you understand German, read it in German. Read it in the language you understand, irrespective whether you read the English translation, the Urdu translation, the Hindi translation, the French translation, or German translation. At least read the translation of the glorious Quran so that you can understand the message of your Creator.